In this tutorial, I will show with you how to transfer money from ANZ Bank. So friends, if you want to transfer your money, follow me in this video guide and let's get started. First, go to your ANZ official website, click transfer now, and then write your login your customer number and password. After logging your customer number and password, you will open your app, select a payment method here, choose a bank transfer. When you choose a bank transfer, write this option pay. This is option pay, friends, as you can see here. When you write pay, you will see a plus icon, add a plus recipient icon, as you can see here, and then choose account number, choose way to pay. As you can see here, choose account number. And then when you choose account number, click next. From here, write your names and account details. And then when you write this all details, write your amount you want to transfer. After choose the amount you want to transfer, write your message. This is optional message, and then click on confirm. So friends, as you can see here, the transfer was sent successfully. The transaction sent, as you can see here. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. This step, log in your account and then choose the pay option. After that, complete your all details. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.